Hello. Greetings from Syncbyte Innovations Private Limited. In this video we will show you how to install RD service for Syncbyte MC01A on Windows operating system. Open your browser and go to the website www.syncbyte.in. Click on the RD Service tab. Here you can find RD service for both Windows and Android platform. You can select and download the file according to your requirement. Click on Certified RD Service with http.exe to download Windows RD service. Click on Download Anyway to begin the download. Once the download is complete, open the folder containing the downloaded file. Right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator. Select the location on your computer where you want the RD service and drivers to be installed. And then click on Next and then Install. It might take a while to install the files based on the configuration of your computer. Click on Finish to finish installing the RD service and wait for the next setup to begin. If your PC does not have Visual Studio installed, the following installer will appear. Agree to the terms and condition and click on Install. It might take a while to install the files based on the configuration of your computer. Meanwhile, please connect the MC01A USB fingerprint scanner to any USB port on your computer. Click on Close to finish the installation and wait for the next installation to begin. The driver installation for MC01A USB fingerprint scanner will begin now. You can see that MC01A USB fingerprint scanner is detected. Click on Install Driver to begin the installation process. Click on Close to finish installing drivers. Close the following window to finish the installation process. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated about latest products, solutions, and tutorials.